There was a higher juicy news. Mima Bawumia Kwaba Ahari latest hot and era me de brabo. Enuti so we subscribe to channel idea bomodi say or be subscribe. There we are say or be click the subscribe button. Now a barely notification. We understand video for be upload no. When the first person once ever can a yes how we do it. After we are what I give you no. Give us a thumbs up nafi. Shema wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memo afi tentemara yebura ye ensemo abeto yepono so we kutie AS report yi sansemi ya abeto dwa moment yi sansemi
beda ho Ken Ofori-Atta is a fugitive like me sana NTP voka hey Ken Ofori-Atta utimi ba Ghana me bet me nemo ko bet me ba Ghana ja Ken Ofori-Atta ende de me nemo bet me ka bibia esi am buofu me ba Ghana ja Ken Ofori-Atta. And the Met Secretary Ofori-Atta say, Onunkwane the only fugitive. Meka chere eyedie Ken Ofori-Atta me be challenge Ken Ofori-Atta. I'll go to Ghana before he goes to Ghana. Hey, Ken Ofori-Atta is we are the two fugitives. You ever heard of Ghana first? Ken me say Omba. Ken Ofori-Atta, he is not going to come. Montuma junu bodam ni way. Omba is not going to come. Now, my major story we muncho. Where is Ofori-Atta and the Parliament Majority Caucus? Ebusa eye Afenyo Markin. Eye akwana kakawura yedi trimuno. Kasongo, the content creator, say you stood in Parliament and told Parliament to say, "Oh, the Ken Ofori-Atta beba on the 2nd of June." Where is Ken Ofori-Atta? Afenyo Markin. Onim nyansa. He speaks by heart. Onim say Afenyo Markin. Wako interrogation 3 times. Do you know? You don't know. Yeah. Do you know Afenyo Markin, the minority leader? Your friend was NIB 3 times. Unim. Di onkanjiro. Aha. Eshane to. Also nansi okasa ohwe nikase buye pa. Afenyo Markin, he has been invited 3 times by the NIB. He has been invited 3 times. Ya kwaje jina no asem 3 times. And jina nansi also okasa no ohwe nikase buye. Also bia na ojimi first also will slow down kakra. Ha. Onim se bibi besi. Odim say some danger. Odim say danger be ABC. Original Parliament catch a Ghana for you say he will bring Ken Ofori-Atta on the 2nd of June. And the question is, NDC former Parliament Ebusa Afenyo Markin, the content creator, Kasongo 99 kakawure ura in the tribune say, where is Ken Ofori-Atta? This is the minority in Parliament questioning a year Kasongo 99 about Ken Ofori-Atta.
Mr. Speaker, if I may say, he promised this house that he will bring Ken Ofori-Atta in May. Where in June? Where is Ken Ofori-Atta? Where is Ken Ofori-Atta? Where is Ken? Where is Ken? Where is Ken? You promised us that you will bring Ken to this house. He came to this house and made a promise. You promised this house that you will produce Ken. You will produce Ken Ofori-Atta in May. We are in June. This is the 3rd of June. Where is Ken Ofori-Atta? Mr. Speaker, he should no longer be heard in this house. Because when he makes promises, he doesn't fulfill them. He comes here and makes promises and never fulfills them. Yes, when we make promises, let's keep them. Mr. Speaker, when he promised to sleep at Yoko, by 10 p.m. he left Yoko. He abandoned.
You still?
Another one. Mr. Speaker, this is the man who is talking about people not fulfilling their promises. You promised to sleep at Yoko, and you left at 10 p.m.
Honourable Majority Leader, please conclude. Honourable Majority Leader, please conclude.
Mr. Speaker, let me.
Afenyo Markin and the minority, they are an embarrassment. They have no principles. They act like ducks. They act like they do anything just to please their base. Afenyo Markin ejina parliament catch say I will bring Ken Ofori-Atta, we will bring Ken Ofori-Atta and Ken Ofori-Atta way. And why should any reasonable person take such group of people serious? These are a group of people. They don't have the intelligence to even feel so. These are people you cannot take their word. NPP, they are selfish people. They are people who don't respect Ghana for intelligence. They think say Jimmy to say founders into what they do and they say all that they do every time say they speak to us without even thinking about it. Into what this MPP does and they say they just speak because they know base view how much Jimmy they will get on the street and make noise. Where is Ken Ofori-Atta Afenyo Markin? Where is Ken Ofori-Atta? Why should anyone trust such a liar? Such a diabolical liar, such a thief, such a con, such a disease of a politician. Nipa or true for to say, what Tetina and Poku to train or Sanko Pyri or Pyform, no cow shower, no cow chum, because we are born someone kind of correct. You are a liar, you just deceive people. Afenyo Markin is a despicable, filthy liar, a disease, such a political measles, and Otigana. Content creating, always attacking policemen, a filthy liar who defends pedophiles, somebody who has no respect for the law, all because the party now only, majority of them are unintelligent. They are not smart enough to know that people who lead parties, their words are their bond. This guy has no principle, a dirty riffraff going after people's wives, such a dark, dirty criminal character. Afenyo Markin. He searched through every criminal conversation every single day. And this guy stands in parliament and lies through his teeth. And we say, a person who you cannot trust, how should we allow such people to be standing in parliament and making noise for us to believe them? This is despicable. This is disheartening. At time. Mama yansu so sa nkwase asem we so. Mami amani pebi enfili say Ghana no motino omo betime jimia because omo she suit be because omo from say omo are some kind of politicians. We need to stop them. We need to let them know. Say masa yama we juma. You need to do that job. This is what you need to do. And if you don't do it, we have the right to speak in your face. And such diseases, liars, filthy politicians like Afenyo Markin, we all know threatening people on phone. These are criminal incarnates. We are not supposed to trust such people. They have nothing about them that is clean for us to respect. We need people with good integrity, people with intelligence, people who respect the Ghanaian, who is feeding them like pigs, because we the taxpayers are feeding pigs who are not telling us the truth. Afenyo Markin is acting like a pig because when we give him food, he forgets that we fed him. Where is Ken Ofori-Atta? A dirty liar, a filthy, diabolic, disgusting liar. Now move forward. Yeda Ken Ofori-Atta issue so about 6 p.m. Ken Ofori-Atta story na remember, be careful, be warned, or be aware of liars. They are dangerous, they are demons. Uhu otrofo atwon ho ombetumi ekun. Into what is othrofo kasa, do not take it serious.
Kwaku mos jowulu echire ho methodist dan echire ho ne asare because asem no e kan nya no kore eti de wo ye you should know say I know it better. Binu apa no 2016 me no na ebo jandam ye fe bibi jandam asem ne nya no kore akama ne nya no kore. Kwaku mos jowulu echire ho methodist dan echire ho ne asare because asem no e kan nya no kore eti de wo ye you should know say I know it better. Binu apa no 2016 me no na ebo jandam ye fe bibi jandam asem ne nya no kore akama ne nya no kore. Binu apa no 2016 me no na ebo jandam ye fe bibi jandam asem ne nya no kore akama ne nya no kore. Binu apa no 2016 me no na ebo jandam ye fe bibi jandam asem ne nya no kore akama ne nya no kore. Binu apa no 2016 me no na ebo jandam ye fe bibi jandam asem ne nya no kore akama ne nya no kore.
Be careful of bad people and liars. omutimi ka atro ema wadwene be say no kre. Be very careful about those people. They can put poison in your food. When they are around you, be careful. Be very, very careful of such people. Omo ye dangerous people. So uni omo no monsana o sorry pe oba hwegu. Uni omo didi na se sebio o sorry a oba hwegu. Omo ka asema, be very careful. Listen to them. They are liars. All right. Moment to Jumadi so. Now we are still on Ken Ofori-Atta. This is another Ken Ofori-Atta story. Oh, sorry. It's this one. Is Ken Ofori-Atta under any compulsion to cooperate with the OSP? Where your friend Frank Davis, Ken Ofori-Atta lawyer. And the Ken Ofori-Atta lawyer ne catch the Ghana for say, Aden, Ken Ofori-Atta ayenche. Say mo friend say omra na mo tutu na no a ayenche na ana sebio mo twambra chinchini bi ato so oni so. Aden, mo na mudi Ken Ofori-Atta abra aboso ana o say oni enche bia ni so. Say o say mo friend say omra. Eye ebua emaya obebu is finance minister no kro no wabom no ne lawyer catch them say mo fam Jimmy nko be mo fam Jimmy free onko ye fe no den Frank Davis ne lawyer ni tiriwin e no no so ni tiriwin say me catch them say sankwasiafo o mummumo MPP4 they don't respect you people one bit. MPP Nana Akufo Addo MPP Bawumia MPP Kennedy Agyapong MPP Boakye Agyarko MPP omumbu Ghana for bako he Ken Ofori-Atta be the finance minister. The special prosecutor Eddie Asama to ne so say yahwehwe nsemu brane be yi ano ne lawyer catch Ghana for say yafa kwase anko no ha adan enya nhye o yentumi nhye ne keten se omra no meyi nsema no adan Ghana no eye nedia yemfa ye Jimmy nko no ha na Ken Ofori-Atta nye ready say or baba be den aba be yi questions bia no sa afi matomasum yeti kroma na ka kire mu say nkofo mu ye wifo sa MPP4 ya mudi tumi asho mu nsa Akufo Addo busuafo Bawumia Kennedy Agyapong Boakye Agyarko otchere mensa bosu sa MPP4 ye wifo mu ya atrofo do not trust them on say ende ne lawyer na ne hu fi ne friend Frank Davis no won asem efi ne numu ba asem we ekoma otumfuo ekoma ya na ekoma eye awonafo hene ekoma menana Akufo-Atta Central Regional House of Chief Infantifo hene Kepko se hene ekoma sewifo hene ekoma bonofo ekoma ahemfo akese omo Ghana asofo pedifo Ken Ofori-Atta lawyers say adan ede ankwase asem no mo Ghana fo mo ntumi nhye no ema ne mma se oba be mo betoto nano se mo agimi ye ka bibia kire mo amonte ye kire mo se nkofo we omo ye wifo and apart from omo ye wifo no they don't respect you people. Me catch them say Akufo Addo busuafo MPP star party way omo ye wifo apart from omo ye wifo no they don't respect you people. The whole Ghana we want Ken Ofori-Atta to come answer questions. Ne lawyer catch us yamfa kwasi anko no wa Air Force. That is what they are telling us today. That is what Ofori-Atta lawyer and they were granting interview. That is the statement they are making to us. Ken Ofori-Atta betina Ghana omu die sike nyina. Frank Davis no nie, mama enlarge the picture and show. Messiah, get me onie. Onenim, oni triwin. Ken Ofori-Atta so ni triwin. Enkwasi asam nko a onom jot ni wi bubom enkwasi asam. They don't respect you people. Ofori-Atta lawyer nie. And Makachra mo say, eye MPP4, eye sa pathway, they don't respect omumbu Ghana for omumbu Asante hene, omumbu awuna hene, omumbu gamanche, omumbu eye omumbu obiao. They don't respect doma hene omumbu no. Sa MPP4 and still in opposition, they don't respect anybody. Because this is the taxpayer asking you to come and answer questions. Ne lawyer, Ofori-Atta man ne lawyer write on kanche say, yamfo yakwasi anko aden eyenhye. So beba Ghana say, yene sika na ohwe so 8 years no, e wo se obeyi ano. Ken Ofori-Atta lawyer so ka kire no. Na ma me kire ade bi hwade. Osaka asemfufuro bi, o say Ofori-Atta's case. Do you know what cancer patients go through? Ken Ofori-Atta lawyer ka kire say, yamfo yakwasi anko no wa na yenim cancer patient eye bra anase ohawa omufem ene de omo kyerɛ wu Ken Ofori-Atta sa ka kyerɛ ɛyɛ ne lawyer so kan kyerɛ yɛ sɛ yɛ ne yɛte Ghana no yɛnim yawa cancer patients omo kom nti yɛmfa yɛkwase anye din. Do you know that as we speak there are people in Ghana prisons are more cancer? They are making it look like say Ken Ofori-Atta nya prostate cancer into being serious da into yen nyina fa kwase anko because oma kan to nkwasiafo bi tim say Ken Ofori-Atta or cancer abra yehu any evidence that just Ken Ofori-Atta or cancer. In fact, later now the mass as a publish here no from what we are seeing from the evidence we are gathering it is fake. But Ken Ofori-Atta to me instructing a lawyer Frank Davis say Omon kan kyerɛ sɛ yɛne yɛgyimi yɛnte cancer ase na yɛhu cancer patients de omu komuda me no ka sɛ yɛwɔ obi a ɔte Ghana sisi a ɔda jail time a yɛ jail no ɔ cancer yɛwɔ obi sisi a ɔgyina court wɔ Ghana me no ka sɛ ɔwɔ cancer enso ɔgyina court enso MPP for Ken Ofori-Atta ka kyerɛ sɛ ɔno ɔnya cancer nti afɛ kwasia nkɔ no ho a yɛnte cancer patients ya omu komunti adenti na yɛfrɛ no intenda no obi a bedi Ghana sika no akɔtena abrukyire no waka kyerɛ sɛ wonya cancer wonya hernia nti yenim sɛ ne hernia for etwoba eya wo mfam nti yenyae me emusa ne question bia. That is what they are implying. Now when be and go for the politics na kodu, these are the same people telling you say Fatumi ma MPP yan Fatumi san fa man kwasiafo no mo fa nye den na yanti kroma. Let me show you this calculation technology okay story way. Time I Ken Ofori-Atta yare I can't say on resigning. They no can. I've been battling liver disease, but my DNA is strong enough to work. We are 2021. 2021, Ken Ofori-Atta catch Ghana say oyare. But the DNA is very strong into on resign. And I'm a kwasi ampe and catch say when you cancer. Cancer be a yenim. On when you cancer nti yamfo kwasi anko yenim the cancer for film. Oh, DNA there and to me fight cancer ne. Alright, Agyapong. Unim DD before patients. Ya nananom, ya papa no mo call pension no mo cancer. Sa akwasi ampe Ken Ofori-Atta gi omunsam sika obuye. 2021 technology and me achiro no yanko echire enim ha ya mechiro. This is what Ken Ofori-Atta told us. Time o ka kire se oyare ka se Ken Ofori-Atta resigning. Na obi me finance minister. In 2021, Okachere say, I've been battling a liver disease, but my DNA is strong enough to work. And the Ken Ofori-Atta Okachere say, oyare, it don't mean magana keke. Time I know this sikane cast on Trancheno, or so oyare kura on Tranchen, or so you pay labwaje. So go for mkwasi adia womutrim. So I could yet be deal matem because omu somewhere Jimmy. Ken Ofori-Atta ne boy me the chat ba be kire one ma o tumi ka kire ma se me papa de onim nyansa o owia sika no nyansam Ken Ofori-Atta boy 2021 otwinwe ka kire se obesori sika no so ma obi abehu kwasiade a waye de wenya liver disease ba ne DNA is strong so time no terminator 1 me kire mu the technology betima ye technology akofa calculation aba
Technology. Accident. Technology.
And in Kofobu abaje so me mpenifo mu nim nyansa ma memfa story we nto nchen ha na menkyerɛ adekodi ntia mpenifo bi omo Ghana wo MPP mo yankwasiafo. The reason why I use some words no I na mo MPP for mo ntia se na hwa ade won ade am de akyerɛ ha no you've seen it right hwa ade we oye penyini hwa sama oka tie we enana o advice Akufo Addo former presidential advisor on health. Also Abekembi, or say he is being treated already over there. So why should he be transferred here to receive treatment? If Mr. Ofori-Atta was your father or uncle will you give this advice? Papa, we do over 70 years. What has more catch 2021, Ken Ofori-Atta saw Yari Castle on Tranchen, or seen what DNA strong. And they say Ken Ofori-Atta emra na accountability nyejuma. Papa penyin toto kwasiam penyi ka kire se senkia papa anaye wo fane Ken Ofori-Atta o tia bruchi a wo hwe no yare no anka obetu no fo se omra kwasia we ni nam Ghana so we penyini 2021 ka technology na ho no oh and the response or the mamo obeso o kire se sa eye insia sare we ye ma menom ya papa no mo pensioner DDEP no more cancer or more liver disease DDEP ku no mo jimi. This man was advising Akufo Addo on health. This foolish man on Net2 Akufo Addo nefo e Jubilee House on health. And the otchere say sanka Ken Ofori-Atta ya wo fa kwasia na ya papa nom ne ya ofa nom na omu wuye DDP Ken Ofori-Atta de mo de be so no haircut no na omu de omu nya nipa nkwasia fu e ti Ghana na yasoso omu so ya sika vi ni mu ade odidi atem me kire the reason why I don't respect this group of idiots omu ejimi omu mumo nkwasia fu we magu abrochire in the next 5 years omu ba be catch am say ya papa no ma mobra kwasia o catch so Ofori-Atta ya papa na ya ankla anke betu no fusa ombra na mo betina so 8 years mutu see one regional hospital betu ahwe no. You were advising the president on health. Kwasiampenyi, Aden went to Akufo Addo amanensi one ultra modern regional hospital and Ken Ofori-Atta betuma tinimahwe no yare. Mo yempenifu mo jimi. Ma mention another one. We mu kwasiafo we. Me the technology and responded to omu kwasiasem. Osaka asembi. Oh, it's the same thing, sorry. The whole thing is MPP form penifo no mu di anim no omo ne omo nkwara no omo nyina jimi. And debia me kire the reason why I na me di omatem and debia no na me de adanse abekire mo. Into ono ende insia sare ka kire unim say insia sare we yare bona. He advised the Akufo Addo for 8 years at the Jubilee House. He was taking millions of dollars every month. Akufo Addo see one regional hospital. Agenda 111 omo ntuma anya baako. Papa we na advise Akufo Addo on health. Kwasiampenyi we ni nam Ghana say we do penyini mendi na tem. DDEP amanfo nya cancer wiye omunya eye chronic diseases omuntu menye sika nhwe mo ho because of nkwasiafo we ya haircut amuku nipa and yesi Ken Ofori-Atta mra no be yi questions ano no nsanko a o ka che senke e ofa no no ke papa no no a anke be ka che so mfra brochire mra na o metie o me answer questions kwasiafo we yetete Ghana ye share we mu ayese we mu de o me statement o ye penyini o respect penyini now we say akora we jimi ono na nyini be ye penyini kwasia. Don't you know? Akwara we Jimmy. Onu na nyini atoto ma be 70-80 be da na Akufo Addo be pegini kwasia. Don't you know? We mu no we Jimmy nkwara bremo obi antia omo. Nobody made them understand say wano kasa na be kire nyanse da utim. We mu no mu yankwara nkwasiafo ye ja omo ba be pegini nkwasiafo. We need to let them know before they die. How can you speak like this? Ken Ofori-Atta, a day na kire say Ken Ofori-Atta is being treated. Tama OSP Emma Ken Ofori-Atta time to come and prove to us no Okan after we put him back on the wanted list and Ken Ofori-Atta omoko edit letter bia beto asase radio say we letter we na kire and in the days to come we will prove to you say that letter na a fake. Me see days ahead we will prove to you say sa letter na asase radio Gabby mu de abeto say Ken Ofori-Atta egi treatment bi e wa abrochi America hospital bi ya be the surgery we are going to prove to you it is fake. Enti nkwasiafo we sa enkokora we ene yete Ghana ene yasoso omo so no omodi nkwasiasam sa okokape na manfo buofu. Why are you talking about these people? Omo ye mpenifu. These are the foolish people.
Yes, special prosecutor. Me chawa OSP because enra me tie OSP no special prosecutor wan sheda nka sem papa bi ankyere yen Ghana fo de ani apase etie no wan ka ankyere yen yo bra adwuma no em se bro so and me I'm one person who is against that establishment of SAP OSP office na nkasa na esi ho no sa office na mu na esi hwanom na yes OSP office no nyansa bia ni mu mame faso bia ni so mame omo ya dai we are just wasting the state resources, we are just wasting money and no wa be ka certain asem pote be na apase ye Ghana for ye ka kiro den na yentie The Akika kwasi yet in a cracker. Ne cracker say, COSP, Kwame, I didn't see any sense of what he said yesterday. What is it? Mobia sound in the Mobia what's the
2025. Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers informed the special prosecutor has diagnosed Mr. Ofori-Atta with cancer and has earmarked 13 June 2025 for surgery, for which reason he would be unable to return to the jurisdiction as scheduled. His lawyer stated that to the knowledge of the OSP, this change in circumstances has been brought to the attention of the court, before which Mr. Ofori-Atta is presently pursuing a human rights claim against the OSP and the special prosecutor. His lawyer stated further that in order not to hold the office back in the performance of his function, they had Mr. Ofori-Atta's instructions of his readiness to go through video recorded interview for the purpose of eliciting his caution statement. His lawyers offered to meet the special prosecutor in person or approach the bench for the purpose of viewing Mr. Ofori-Atta's biopsy report, whichever suited the special prosecutor. Now, ladies and gentlemen of the media, this is where we are now. Now let us step back a bit from the 28th May 2025 letter from Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers and place the matters in their proper context. I have intentionally went through a tedious timeline. The letter from Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers, dated 18 February 2025, clearly indicated that the possible surgical intervention to be performed on him was to occur on 20 and 21 March 2025, upon which reckoning the OSP carefully considered the recovery period and indulgently pushed Mr. Ofori-Atta's attendance at the OSP to 2 June 2025. By a letter dated 28 May 2025, Mr. Ofori-Atta's lawyers informed the special prosecutor has diagnosed Mr. Ofori-Atta with cancer and has earmarked 13 June 2025 for surgery, for which reason he would be unable to return to the jurisdiction as scheduled. His lawyer stated that to the knowledge of the OSP, this change in circumstances has been brought to the attention of the court, before which Mr. Ofori-Atta is presently pursuing a human rights claim against the OSP and the special prosecutor. His law is totally unacceptable and a baleful spite at law enforcement and criminal investigations. It ends here. It ends today. We will no longer accommodate him. Consequently, the OSP redeclares that Mr. Ofori-Atta is a wanted person and a fugitive from justice. His name is hereby re-entered on the OSP's list of wanted persons. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure Mr. Ofori-Atta's return to the jurisdiction and to answer to the criminal inquiries against him. In pursuance of this, about
Ghana for winning Madia Bakwa and OSP, the press conference in Okaya, and Mammy who said a Chaskelena, Ken Ofori-Atta, any OSP now winning the lawyers or Modebo Ghana for. William says, all this one, no, Ken Ofori-Atta Yareno. There's no medical reports. Yadiama or no OSP near Chesampa, Ken Ofori-Atta Yario. It's a no natural letter. He is sick near the Abreno. No, no, now. You see, Ghana Yadiniama Bidiagro, share cases I had your book and Ofori-Atta, Nina may sure say a cases. But the most annoying part, the most annoying one, is a cathedral. If not for anything, on my biana and 1 year, Safotimi Cotinasi. Near Cassia Bessia Sorridine. Now, Sorridine, I yaba Bessiano. Adanya e siwa dada. Aya do a mai sikasi no. Yambun tungu. Nanya kafufro. Effort to a minor so. Now you see, the whole concept of Sa Cathedral no does not make sense. Akufo Addo question the talk one baby say, Erado mama di president ya mesi asare dan ama. Eno ene ya Ghana for ye ni no twakabe. Me me kwahye me ba bi na Awurade me Awurade me sraw ye CTV me nya me pese me ye adwuma wo ho me pese me ye adwuma class media Awurade me pese me ye adwuma class media na nya me ayadom boss keke de say ya abra me pese me fu adwuma keke de fa me adwuma na me ba ya na first Smith na ma fra Robert na ma fra Ofani me she nya me boss me pese me ye adwuma o CMG enti boss na me share no me share boss me oya ma me a me ma no e bia 100 million mo first camera enya nkwasiasem Some ma bom empa ya kire nyame no na nyame atie me no me ba no ma frafra adwuma ya fo mo CMG so mo ma boa me na bose na me hye nyame no me nkodi so enya kwasiasem o enya kwasem. You see, there are certain things I am perceive I cannot cry. Charges I had yabo Ken Ofori-Atta ni mese bia no hu hia me de hia me wom na maka no sa national cathedral concept no eye dam na judges se danya yado aman sikasie na kwabrani awe nyame anim se yam budan no ntungu adanya any 3 years ya waste wa man sika me tax ka ho, and that's the reason why it's so painful. Ya me ka bia na me sasame dia bufuo na eka ya de me tax akwasi dayama judge ni se judge ni nkwatira mu no akwa we ne na do no ba ya ene ne Bawumia no wa matumi awanyame anim se sa dan no ya buntugu adan ya Akufo Addo nyame bonti no ya pere bia si asodan Dabio, we need a coin assassin that was as yantam no, but you see a son of a ye mo, meba. Yes, I saw that with Chabia, a ye and I say ye. Yes, I saw that Oko Saglema area was Shaquano Social Hills, at the whole bagaya, me pacha on your sin, ye boy. The reason why I'm particular with this case, and I say, and near more year was our cathedral site, just say a yakumaja. Yabu put down to a good, and then you see a quendi 1 year, your boo. Because Akufo Addo president was saying, Yame Bontino. I mean, just say, Adam. And now, there can $1 million crowd in the door. $1 million. Win him the dodo. Now come $58 million. Ya the two foundation. Near Timia Tina Cromha, now Panyan Toto, our Musu winning Yansa, Wokakayas who didn't penny fatem. Now you are young crabs Adiowi. Near say, Yakra a boy, and your free Israel, near Yabatoha, now just say, oh God of mercy. All we selling us to say all this one only medical reporter confirm say Ken Ofori-Atta say wa yare ampa letters and your children the man that office is useless and it has to be scrapped. More promise Kisi Jabene ne office nyina mo pam wa mo here attorney general sa case we Gyamfi Ken akwanesem Kisi Jabene no Gyamfi ni sem I was say you are koni NIB from Obama. Mutisim na kisi office no promise muntum. Nya sabi anim. Ofi no ada ne konongo kaya. Me a me so a me ntwe me humbo bi mbesoa e no tare ade ne ho. Until all these years, until ya trawa ma Ken Ofori-Atta do my Ghana nipa be 32 million or the Agini Diakro. Who is he? Or the Yenya Agini Diakro. Who the $58 million to Amena? Hi. And you see, that is not more bono. Say about come with him and they say obey surgery on June 13th. Yatiano Mabakacha said surgery no on recover or recover September or September never soon. Near catcher so yasa diagnosing before from Yanibaba was enough 4 years as well. Hey! Attorney General, Massa Mama and you and Kosala no. And you are sala and Ken Ofori-Atta and you're free no, you pay a sika. Me, don't move the Kwafa to no, me and you hear me. Two amode Kwafa to no, me and you're not a family. They are farming 1 year. Sikano, the money involved. Yeah, sika. Nippon, the sika braya, more Pamunia, no, and family. So to be quite them, me then I'm in free. Near side me tax, after the Anakoman prison or a nonsense to crama. For a sikabaye. As I say now, I no uncle reclaim simple. sky today no yam some do obi to me and no emfa me ho $2 million na say dey akwa feasibility study you say not today not from cry you hu ano not today na wiem ye nya $2 million asem bia ne ba bia me kwa me tietie mu kra no sa $2 million no kwa me say Ken Ofori-Atta ho chaso no de sika bia ba kwa yi bia kra no finance minister kwasi sika bia obi abedi wo kwama bia o na esan ye chani na $1 million kwa uni ma de betimi ayo kroma ya na Ghana ha ya bra ya ko IMF ya de conditions ato ya so sami ya fani pa adwuma nyina de na ye $3 billion so adoni sikai ama ya ko sha IMF ne IMF de conditions ato ya so yentimi fani pa adwuma. Then you come and tell us say all this one nyina Ken Ofori-Atta about medical report. So what were you who OSP na mu kisi Kwabena na usi ho no e de na na ye wunyina so ntia na all this one na to watch Ken Ofori-Atta na wunim so abeba na eti wo obi ne wu wadwini di agro wunim so ade wadwini di agro wunim. That office is useless. Na do dan kwa Akufo Addo share that creative ade no to deceive us. Dia me manje na adwendi awasa OSP office no ho aye announce principles na ene adane evo e dia mo ankasa no na do gina simpie so ka kire yen Ghana for say or the announce principle and betu corruption ase ewi a kire ya say announce principle ne yakoma ne di foforo court ya kwamani di kama ajaje for no mo ho no ema announce principle no edi foforo kura acha so ambe so mo chese ade na say ye na Akufo Addo di ya campaign ema ye Ghana for to ye tirim no Afriyie na do se sa principle no won pe upe OSP enti ayade bia yen creative fund DCV Ghana for say aya ne se ekokota hye ne de adana all this one sisi ya senya se Ghana for ko bisa ya yokofo akofa sisi da package ne baka bisa OSP say sisi da package no sorosoro ho na osososo ho na wa ayete se akokwa wodi abrama akokwa wa soso ho no na nka be kwa kosi adana yedi yen ho wu se oman ko baby ko hwe chip compound kro mu ni bi na mo amko boss ankwase achenku no wo yoko ho no ko baby a ye de contract mba wutumi so ankoye kwan no senka wote hobi ana wonnim kro no hawo mo famu a wonko gina ho meka se na me wo boys wo boko go there and ask ko kro bi so ensu on benom kra ye problem na Kwabena ni atena ha say me the $58 million me the 2 amena na OSP wotu wo be ka stories akere yen etine kura na say wunim so the interpol be kwa kofa Ken Ofori-Atta obebo ya mane e fanya den dia ya hwehwe ne se Ken Ofori-Atta okrom ha onfa ye sika ma yan me Ken Ofori-Atta mo jeli no kwa me anya no na ye me interest so me fa ho mo jeli na be ha me because ahwe ye sika bekam ye timi feeding wo prison onfa ye sika ma ye ni asem bia $2 million no mo nje ma yan Mustafa Hamidi dia na aba no those characters involved, no, I'm not interested in them going to jail. I'm interested in say yabeji sika. Niya dia kwa yo mani ye a simple. For front line Net2 TV no so. Ye niya da jemo obi a ukrom ha. Ye ji sika. President Mahama, the main reason why we voted for you is hard, you know. Ye pay sika. Would ye sika man no one ye cry, you know, yeah. I said, ya why ye wunya ye debim. Ya why ye. Wunya ye debim. And a fool power 11 city. Kwasa all your quarry, I had the Almighty God grab at 1252. Eti John Mahama, ya why ye pa wunya ye debim. Ya why ye sit in $1. Pounds in euro, damn biam na ya through ho. Dia ya through one say ye sika nkrofo awia no, je ya de mba ye asama sa. Yo, eti for we ni ense mo abeto yepno so ka say so when subscribe to channel dia bomodi say over subscribe and say had the latest hot kwa era me de bravo. Na fe wa like video no give us a thumbs up afi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ense mo ekoso ewo Ghana memo ano. Ozo bitimi a share wadwen afaye some way nyira ho ewo comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.